Hi there and welcome to the channel. Today we will see how to download and install Python on our Mac. First of all, we have to go to the official website, which is python.org. This is the homepage. On the homepage we have the downloads area. And normally you can go to the download for Mac OS, and then we have here the latest version. But instead of doing this, I would like to show you something else. We go first of all to the left side on the Mac OS. And in here, on the left side, we have the stable releases. And here we have all the different Python versions that are stable and that you might be willing to install on your Mac in this case, okay? Why I would be interested in installing different Python versions. In this channel, for example, we are going to create different Python applications. And in order to do that, we are also to create different virtual environments. Those virtual environments, I might decide that for a particular application, I might create a specific virtual environment with a specific Python version, okay? If I want to create that specific virtual environment for a specific Python version, first of all, I need to have that Python version already installed on my Mac, okay? So the idea is that if you in the future, you follow some of the videos that we are going to create here to create different applications, you might need to download those versions as well. So with this video, you will be able to understand how we can, or you can, install those different versions. In this case, I will just take this Python 3.12.2, which seems the latest 3.12 version. So I download the package, then once it's downloaded, I can go directly to open the file, and then the only thing we have to do is to follow here the instructions in order to install the read license. So I will say agree, and then install type. Okay, well, I will follow the default installation. I'm not going to continue, but because I already have installed the version on my Mac, but this is the only thing we have to do is you continue and you install, you follow the different steps, and there is nothing really difficult behind, okay? What I'm gonna show you then, where it's important, is to see where that installation, where those files are located on your Mac, okay? So in order to see that, first of all, we need to go to your file system, and then you need to be located at the top of the tree. And you know that you are at the top of the tree in your directory system if you see here that you have the users, okay? Once you are there, the Python is installed in here. You have to go to see a library, okay? Then in library, I don't remember now, I think it's frameworks. Yes, the frameworks. So we do frameworks. Then let me check again. Python frameworks, cd Python frameworks, and then I think it's cd versions. Let me say version of versions. Yes, it is. And ls I will see. And here in my case, I already have installed 3.10, 3.11, 3.12, 3.9. These are the different versions that I have installed on my Mac. In this case, I will be able in the future to create specific virtual environments for those specific Python versions. So once we have installed Python on our Mac, we can start using Python. We can open directly the interpreter. That's not the way we are going to use it in the future, but so you say yes Python and click enter, you already are inside Python interpreter. You can see with the prompt here, and the version that is active in my computer is 3.11.5. okay, so now I am inside the interpreter, so I could start using Python in here. This is not the way we are going to use it in the future. Of course, we are going to use different IDEs in order to create the applications, but you can already see that the Python is available on your system, and then you can start using it. In this case, to go out from here, it's just Control D and you can go out. Okay, so I think for this first video, I think it's enough. The idea behind the video it was to show you how to install different versions of Python, because in the next video I will show you how to create a virtual environment for a specific Python version. So I think for today it's more than enough. So bye bye now, and see you around.